Welcome back to Microlearning English 5 minutes each day. This is day 18. Today we continue practicing rhythm, how English sentences have a natural beat. The start of the beat is usually the stressed syllable. That's how English gets its music and its rhythm. I want you to focus this time on making the sentences rhythmic. The pattern was I was, your feelings, I should, and I can, what you do because of the feelings. So the sentences, although there are two parts, there is a reason behind that because eventually you will combine the two parts. You'll see what I mean. So let's begin. We'll start with the present tense. Let's speak with rhythm. I'm tired. I should take a nap. I'm tired. I should take a nap. Or you can say, you are tired. You should take a nap. It's like an advice to someone. You're talking about the feeling. You are tired. How do you feel? Tired. You are tired. What should you do? You should take a nap. So look at the stressed. You are tired. You should take a nap. Okay, let's try another sentence. She's nervous. She should breathe slowly. She's nervous. She should breathe slowly. Watch the stress words. She was nervous. She should breathe slowly. We are hungry. We are hungry. We can cook something. So the rhythm and the stress is in the hung. We are hungry. And then we can cook something. I'm cold. You can stress this. I'm cold. I can wear a jacket. You are cold. You can wear a jacket. If you are cold, you can wear a jacket. If she's nervous, she should breathe slowly. If I'm tired, if you're tired, you should take a nap. So these two sentences can be joined to become one longer sentence. But first of all, let's just practice and concentrate on the rhythm. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I should talk to someone. I'm stressed. Are you stressed? Yes, I'm stressed. You should talk to someone. Okay, I should talk to someone. Yes, I should talk to someone. So repeat them again. Focus on the beat, the rhythm, the stressed words that start each phrase. We'll move on to the past tense now. I was tired. I was tired. I should have gone to bed. I should have gone to bed. I was tired. I should have gone to bed. He was sick. He was sick. He couldn't go to work. He was sick. He couldn't go to work. We were confused. We should have asked for help. We were confused. We should have asked for help. Do you see the rhythm? We should have asked for help. We were confused. We should have asked for help. Oh, she was cold. She should have brought a coat. She was cold. She should have brought a coat. She should have brought a coat. I was lonely. I was lonely. I could have called a friend. I could have called a friend. Repetition is the key. This is a practical video, and listening and repeating is the most important part of acquiring a language. I'm tired. I should take a nap. I'm tired. I should take a nap. She's nervous. She should breathe slowly. She's nervous. She should breathe slowly. I'm stressed. I should talk to someone. I'm stressed. I should talk to someone. Now, past tense. So if you repeat them, present tense and then past tense, you'll get into the rhythm. You'll get into the feel of the language. You are learning how to speak naturally, plus you are learning the grammar without really studying the grammar. Past tense. I was tired. I should have gone to bed. So the phrasing you can hear, I should have gone to bed. I was tired. I should have gone to bed. I was lonely. I could have called a friend. I could have called a friend. That's it for today. Rhythm helps your English sound smooth, natural, and clear. And now you've practiced it with real life sentences that you can use. Think of other examples. Join me tomorrow as we keep building your English fluency one small step at a time. And remember, don't forget to revise. It is not the quantity, it is the quality of your practice. So don't do too many things. Just do one thing, one step, well at a time.